Hi everybody, I'm April and I'm here at Midcon to present my poster. So what we're looking at is trying to figure out how to balance quantitative and qualitative interpretation. So human versus machine, maybe, if you will. So the first thing we need to think about is what environment are we looking at? What problem are we trying to solve? So ours is deep water channel. The next thing we want to look at is if we're going to use seismic attributes, which seismic attributes are going to help us pick out the feature of interest. And then if we're going to do machine learning, we have to start thinking about what type of machine learning algorithm is going to be helpful. How are we going to interpret the statistical algorithms? So a lot of information that we're trying to look at. At the end of the day, though, when we look at the statistical outputs, we have to determine if we can understand what the statistics actually say, what they mean. It's going to be very difficult for a human to interpret all of these scatter plots. So this is where machine learning really does come in handy to help us look at all of these different relationships quickly. And then the human interpreter, though, is required to look at what the geologic importance actually is. So my algorithm is not going to be able to interpret all of the actual geologic outputs, but this is where the human comes in. So man versus machine, probably not. Man with machine, probably.